Taxi!
Oh, sorry about that.
Yes, this is the taxi I booked.
Oh, is it?
Yes, the hotel arranged it for me.
I'm really sorry. I thought it was just a regular taxi.
No problem. So, may I take the taxi then?
Of course. It's actually for you, and sorry for the confusion. Where are you heading, by the way? I'm going to the shopping center in York.
Really? I was planning to go there too.
Oh, what a coincidence.
If you don't mind, you could share the ride with me.
Are you sure?
Of course. Thank you very much.
All right then, let's get in.
Ron, what are you doing here? I'm studying for a test I have next week. How's it going? Not really. Well, I still have a whole book to go through. Wow, that's a lot. Do you want to take a break? Maybe grab a coffee or something? I don't know. I really need to study. Come on, you're clearly not making much progress. You need a short break. Yeah, I guess you're right. What kind of coffee do you usually drink? Actually, I'm more of a tea person. Really? What kind of tea do you like? I love matcha. I've never tried matcha before. You're missing out. Let's go. I'll make you try it today. All right, I'm in.
Oh my God, why do I even have to study this hard? Just to become an engineer like you always wanted?
Thanks for reminding me. By the way, which company do you want to work for?
I'm not sure yet. I was actually thinking about owning my own company.
Wow, ambitious, aren't we?
Nah, I just don't want to work for others, you know.
Yeah, I know. You're the worst team player ever.
Hey, I'm kidding. Well, at least you're leaving this city.
There's not much to do here as an engineer.
Yeah, I might move to California.
That far?
Well, I think it would be good for my career.
True. What about you? Where are you going to go?
I don't know. Probably New York. That's nice, but isn't that really far from your family?
Yeah, but they don't mind.
That's great.
What are you doing, Laura?
I'm writing.
Writing? Why are you always writing?
Oh, didn't I tell you? I'm trying to pursue a career in journalism.
You're going to be a journalist? How come I didn't know about this?
I haven't told anyone yet.
Why not?
I'm just trying it out, you know?
That's cool.
Yeah, I can always do something else later if I want to.
That's true. Who are you working for right now?
Just a small tabloid. Hopefully, I'll be able to work for a fashion magazine next year.
Oh yeah, I remember you've always been interested in fashion.
Yeah, fashion and writing.
Then working for a fashion magazine sounds perfect for you.
I think so too. I just don't know if I'm good enough.
Don't worry, I believe in you.
Thank you, Todd.
Let me know when you publish any articles.
All right, I'll support your work.
That's so nice of you.
Excuse me, how can I help you? You've been standing here for quite a while.
Oh, my house is over there, but I can't cross the road. The cars are moving so fast.
I see. The traffic here is always terrible. Would you like me to cross the road with you?
That would be great. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. I like helping other people, especially the elderly and children.
You're a good girl. You make me miss my grandmother. I haven't seen her for years.
Why is that?
She lives abroad with my uncle. I think I'll go home and make a video call with her right away. You should do that. I'm sure your grandmother will be very happy. Thank you. Can you get home by yourself? Of course I can.
I'm going to the corner store. Do you want anything?
Wait, where are you going?
The corner store, 7-Eleven. Do you want anything?
Yeah. I'd like a loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread. Okay, I'll be right back.
Wait, there was something else.
A loaf of bread and something else?
Oh, right. A roll of tissues.
Good thing you said that. We're out of tissues. Okay, I'll be right back.
Wait. Can you check if they have today's newspaper?
I think they're probably out by now. If they have it, great. If not, don't worry about it.
All right, I'll be back.
Oh yeah, I just remembered something. Can you get me some toothpaste? Toothpaste? Yes, mint flavor. Okay, I'll be back. And a large box of laundry soap. Do you have a pen? Yeah, here you go. I'd better write this down. Okay. Bread, tissues, newspaper if they have it, soap. Oh, one more thing. A light bulb for my closet. A light bulb? Yes, thank you. Sure, see ya.
Juanita, I have some bad news.
Bad news? What is it?
I can't go to the dinner tomorrow.
You can't go to dinner? Why not?
I forgot I have a dentist appointment.
Oh, that's not a big problem. Just cancel it.
I can't.
Sure you can. Just call the dentist and cancel.
No, you don't understand. He's a very popular dentist. It would take me another month to get a new appointment.
Wow, why are you going to the dentist? Are you in pain?
No, I need to have a cavity filled.
That's no problem. I can fill it for you right here.
What?
That's okay. I was just really excited about going to dinner with Al.
I know, I feel terrible about it.
It's okay. Are you free on Friday?
Yeah, Friday evening.
Me too. Maybe we can move the date to Friday.
That's a good idea.
I'll call Al and see if we can postpone it until Friday.
That sounds perfect.
All right, everyone, let's get started. We have a lot to cover today. First, let's talk about the new marketing campaign. Sure, we also have a few important projects to discuss. All right, I'd like to hear everyone's ideas and updates. What's the priority for today? Are we focusing on the new clients? Yes, let's focus on the new marketing campaign first. We need to finalize the strategy by the end of the week. Sounds good. I have some ideas to share. We could use social media more actively. Great, let's hear them. We should try to think outside the box. And don't forget to consider our budget. Yes, we need to use our resources efficiently. We also need to inform our current clients. Should we do that today? Yes, but let's finish the marketing campaign first. After that, we can update our clients. I'll start writing the strategy document. Everyone, please send me your ideas by the end of the day.
Alex, can you help me move this rug? I think Buddy's fur is all over it.
Sure, Dina. Let's roll it up and take it outside to shake it.
Do you ever feel like we're just moving dirt around?
No matter how much we clean, it always comes back.
That's just life, Dina. But it's worth it to have a clean house.
Yeah, and it's kind of nice to see everything neat and tidy.
I guess so. It also feels good to help out.
Exactly. And once we're done, we can relax and enjoy the weekend.
How about we finish quickly and then take Buddy for a walk later?
That sounds great. I'll vacuum the living room while you dust the shelves.
This place is really starting to shine.
We should do this more often. It does feel good, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it's nice that everyone is helping.
It's a team effort.
Maybe we should make this a weekly thing.
I like that idea. The house stays clean and we get family time together.
Good morning, Julia. Thank you for being here on time.
Good morning, David. Of course. The rest of the team should be here in a few minutes.
Great. That gives me a moment to set up my laptop.
Good idea. You are presenting the sales numbers today, right?
Yes, I have a short presentation ready.
Excellent. I am looking forward to seeing it.
I just need to connect my laptop to the big screen, but I have a small problem.
Problem? What is it?
I don't have the right cable to connect my computer.
Oh, what kind of laptop do you have?
It's a new model. It only has these small USB-C ports.
Ah, I see. And the projector cable is the old big HDMI type.
Exactly. I forgot to bring my adapter. I am so sorry.
Don't worry about it. These things happen with new technology.
But the team needs to see my charts.
I have a solution. Can you email me your presentation right now?
Email it to you? Yes, of course.
I will open it on my laptop. My computer is already connected to the screen.
Oh, that is a great idea. Thank you, Julia.
No problem at all. Just tell me when to change the slide.
I am sending the email now. Okay, it's sent.
I just received it. Perfect. Problem solved.
Thank you for thinking so quickly. You saved my presentation.
Of course, we are a team. Now let's get Eddie.
Oh, I'm calling about my delivery.
Sure, can I have your order number, please?
Yes, it's 45821.
Thank you. Let me check the system.
I was told the package would arrive today.
I understand. I'm sorry for the delay.
So it's not coming today?
It will arrive late this evening around 9 p.m.
Oh, that's quite late.
I really need it today.
I see. May I ask what the package is?
It's a gift for a birthday tonight.
I'm very sorry about that. Is there anything you can do to help?
We can change it to express delivery for free.
Will that make it faster?
Yes, it should arrive within 2 hours. That would be great. Please do that. Okay, I've updated your order. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Sorry again for the delay.
Hi. Where are you, bro? I'm here already. I'm here too, but I don't see you. Really? I'm standing near the main entrance. Oh, I'm at the back entrance near the parking lot. That explains it. I thought we said the main entrance. I thought you meant the back one. Okay, no problem. Let's fix this. Can you see a coffee shop near you? Yes, there's a small coffee shop on the left. Great. Stay there. I'll walk to you now. Okay, I'll wait here. Sorry about the confusion. It's okay. We didn't explain it clearly. Next time, let's be more specific. Yes, that's a good idea. I see you now. Finally. Hi. Hi. Glad we found each other. Hi. I think there's a problem with my payment.
Okay, what seems to be the issue?
I tried to pay with my card, but it didn't work.
I see. Let me try again.
Sure.
It still says payment declined.
That's strange. I used this card this morning.
It may be a temporary problem. Do you have another card?
No, I don't. I only have this one.
Okay, would you like to try paying with cash?
I don't have enough cash with me.
No problem. You can also pay by mobile app.
Oh, really? That works.
Great. Please scan this code.
Done. Did it go through?
Yes, the payment is successful now.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Sorry for the trouble.
It's okay. These things happen.
Hi, do you have a minute?
Sure, is everything okay?
I wanted to talk about the blender I borrowed from you.
Oh, yes. Did you finish using it?
Well, there's a small problem.
What happened?
I think I broke it by accident.
Really? How did that happen?
I was using it and suddenly it stopped working. I'm sorry, I should have been more careful.
That's okay. These things happen.
I feel really bad about it.
Did you try unplugging it and checking the button?
Yes, I did, but it still doesn't work.
I see. Thank you for telling me. Honestly, I'd like to pay for the repair or replace it. You don't have to replace it, but a repair would be nice. Of course, I'll take care of it. Thank you, I appreciate that. Sorry again for the trouble. It's okay. Thanks for being responsible.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see your dress.
It's okay. Accidents happen.
I really feel terrible. I stepped on it and got it dirty.
I understand. It was crowded.
Please let me take responsibility. I can pay for cleaning or replace it if needed.
That's kind of you, but it's not necessary.
Are you sure? I don't mind at all.
Yes, I'm sure the dress can be cleaned.
At least let me do something to say sorry.
Well, if you really want to,
Please, I insist.
you can invite me to dinner sometime. Let's call it even.
Dinner? That sounds fair. I promise I'll make it a proper apology dinner.
All right, then. I'll accept that.
Thank you for being so understanding.
Thank you for being honest and polite about it.